Are you living your day just to get through work or school so that you can get back and do something like watch YouTube or watch Netflix or play video games? If that's the case, then you're not having any room for growth. You're not finding any way to even have a purpose. If you feel directionless in life and if you feel like there is no purpose and there is no plan, it's because you haven't made that purpose. You haven't made a plan to follow. You haven't instilled any measurements to try and track your success that you are making. So when that's the case, then that means that work and school are going to be the only things that you are developing in. And when that happens, you're not going to be able to measure your improvement. You're not going to be able to really work towards something greater. You need to make goals outside of that work, outside of that school that you're in. Because if that's the main thing that you're doing, then that means the grades, or that means that getting a promotion, that's the main enjoyment and relief that you can feel. That's gonna lead you down a very depressing path, I'm telling you right now. What you need is, right when you get home, you should want to work towards something, or many things. You shouldn't use that time just to recover from that work that you were just doing. You should use that time to get better at something else, to maybe one day not need that schooling, to not need that work that you're working at right now. You should work towards something that you enjoy doing, and something that you enjoy the success of, right? Because if you get these results, that means that it's gonna help you out a lot. But right now, if you don't even have a plan to reach this goal, then it's not a goal, it's a wish. If you, like, so many people have this dream, and with that dream, if you're not putting in that plan, then you can't call it a goal. You wish it to happen, but you're not working towards it to happen. Create a goal, create a plan, and then work to get that plan done. If you have no direction and if you have nothing that you can measure your improvement with, then right now I want you to make 3 goals, make 3 plans, and then go ahead and take the actionable steps necessary to work on those plans. And then you are going to find true fulfillment. You're going to see that your life is actually improving and not just staying in this stagnant pace. And you're ultimately going to improve yourself further than you've ever done. Thank you for watching. I'm out. Be well, be blessed. Peace.